Hi, Darrell Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. I wanted to go over a project, really interesting project we have with the customer to change from this fiberglass part to a thermoform part. So obviously you know the reasons for cost, much less cost, and better environmentally friendly using the thermoforming process versus fiberglass part forming. So what we did, we took this fiberglass part, we laser scanned it, reverse engineered it, and we actually had to do some design changes to the part to make it adaptable for thermoforming process. So we did that, and then we 3D printed the forming tool back here, secondary coating for a 50 RA finish, Class A finish. Then this is a trim tool, CNC trim tool that will trim the part out to the final shape.